Welcome to What Are Fractions? On this first slide, you will see we have 4 blue squares and 1 orange square. We can make this illustration into a fraction. First of all, we need to count how many squares we have in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 squares in total. The total number of squares will go on the bottom of our fraction. Next, we're going to count the number of blue squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 blue squares. The number of blue squares will go on the top of our fraction. Now we have created our fraction. To represent this illustration, we can say that the number of blue squares is 4/5. Conversely, we can create another fraction using this illustration. We can now create a fraction for the number of orange squares. We know that we have 5 squares in total, and it is easy to see that we only have 1 orange square. So our fraction will be 1 on the top and 5 on the bottom. We say this as 1/5. Here is an example of how we can use fraction strips to illustrate fractions. In this strip, there are 6 squares in total. If we colored in 2 squares, our fraction would be 2/6. And we write it like this. If we colored in 3 squares, our fraction would then be 3/6, and so on. We can also create fractions using circles. This circle is divided evenly into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. 2 of these pieces are shaded. Therefore, we can say that 2/7 of this circle is shaded. On the other hand, we can also say that 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/7 are not shaded.